Cole's taking off about, I'd say, a 65 foot piece of tree here. I'll be booming it over to the chipper, which looks like we've set up in the neighbor's field graciously. Send it over to the 2000 effortlessly. Stand underneath Steve. He should be somewhere right about there. Hi, Steve. It's a good spot here to watch the whole process. Cole's gonna lay that piece down. Gosh, I wish we could figure out what that sound was. If anybody knows what that is, post it in the comments, because none of the mechanics that I know what it is. Oh, look at Kelly's new fangled radiator protector.